Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Today, I'm going to introduce our second full package, including 185 tutorials. This full package is the second full package, from research grade modeling to real-world experiment simulation. Click here to watch it. So here, this is the full package. After the success of our first Abaqus full package covering beginner to intermediate levels, we proudly present the second Abaqus full package designed exclusively for advanced user researchers, engineers, and professionals who want to master complex nonlinear multiphysics and extremely loading simulation in Abaqus. You can see here the definition and some figures of the recent models. This package contains 180 advanced, carefully developed tutorials, each based on the real research problems, cutting-edge materials, and state-of-the-art numerical techniques used in the scientific paper, PhD thesis, and industrial projects. What makes this package unique? These are the reasons. Uh, Intermediate to advanced level content only, research and paper, including explicit standard CEL, SPH, dynamic, pre-dynamic fire, seismic, and any other analysis. And then complete CAE INP codes, videos step by step for each model. And this package goes for beyond standard Abaqus tutorial and focuses on complex failure, damage, blast impact fire, and multi-material interaction problems. What is included in each tutorial? That's a question. Each tutorial is delivered as a complete learning system including Abaqus CAE models, INP files, uh, advanced editing and control the input file, material models. We used many material models and we explain all them through the videos like CDP, JH2, review math, damage, I don't know any material model for all the members in the package. A step-by-step English video tutorials, modeling strategy, numerical explanation, post-processing, damage interpretation, research level validation, because we have some validation paper in the package, and the main simulation categories covered by blast, for instance, blast and explosion analysis, like air blast, underwater explosion, internal explosion using CL, SPH, acoustic, OLI method, nuclear state blast simulation, including the material like soil, water, air, ice structure, air structure interaction, and then the progressive damage and collapse analysis. Impact and ballistic analysis. Low velocity impact, high velocity impact, bullet, projectile, rocket, bear destruct simulation, armor systems like ceramic, CFRP, Kevlar, UHM, WPE, glare, and behind armor trauma and gelati. Advanced composite material like CFRP, GFRP, BFRP, hybrid composite, AFRP, sandwich panel, energy absorber, steel concrete, timber hybrid systems, green composite or sustainable materials. And fire and thermal structure coupling, like fully coupled thermal stress analysis, fire behavior of RC beam, column, steel timber, and composite members, sequential and fully 3D model. Then we have seismic, fatigue, and cyclic loading. For instance, fatigue with hysteresis model, or we have cyclic loading for all the members, concrete, steel, the other. dampers, braces, and base plates, foundation, a slashing analysis, earthquake resistant in the composite systems, or we have concrete, UHPC, or UHP concrete, or UHPC FRP concrete, and advanced damage modeling like CDP calibration and damage evolution, bound slip behavior, pull-out test, and connector modeling using cohesive model, and all types of concrete. Then we introduce offshore and fluid structure interaction using Abaqus Aqua. You can't find it anywhere. Definition of Abaqus Aqua analysis, offshore structure, pipeline and risers, and water structure interaction in the Abaqus Aqua. And also we have, for instance, manufacturing process simulation like cold spray, impact welding, cold spray using multi-particles for many of the materials like aluminium, ceramic, steel, polymer, any, and impact welding forming of the steel CFRP composites, and many other subjects like piezoelectric analysis to finding the crack in concrete, or I don't know, Winker model to consider pre-dynamic analysis using XFEM method, and many other tutorials. You can see some of the figures here. So, who is this package for? This package is not just for beginners. It is also though suitable for PhD and master students, researchers, academic engineers, structural, civil, mechanical, and defense engineers, blast impact and protective structure designers, and author of the journal papers or thesis. If you want to publish paper, validate experiment, or simulate extreme real-world scenarios, this package is for you. And why this package is worth it? Because it covers simulations rarely explained anywhere else. All of these simulations are new, based on the scientific research problem, teaches modeling philosophy, not just the clicks, help you avoid common numerical mistake, and take your Abaqus skill to an expert level. Okay, so the final note for this package, you can see here. This is not just a theoretical collection, you know. It is a professional Abaqus knowledge base built from years of research and simulation experience. If you are serious about advanced finite element modeling, this package will save you years of trial and error. So, if you want to provide this package, read all the contents here. Also, see, these are the titles of the matter that we use in this package. See, we categorize them, for instance, here, model, purpose, anything. The price of the second full package, you know, after the first package, now we have the second full package. The price is 585 euros. We use all the payment systems like PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, or all cryptocurrencies, no problem. So if you are interested in the second full package here, contact us here, this email. Then you will receive all the contents, you know, all the titles and the contents of the model. Or if you have any questions, we will answer you. So let us know if you have any questions or if you want to provide this full package or the second full package. Thank you for your attention.